Hi, Chav Weather here with a video looking at damage caused by tornadoes hitting the state of Kentucky, USA on December the 11th, 2021. A state of emergency was raised as at least 18 tornadoes hit across a number of American states, including Missouri, Arkansas, Tennessee, Kentucky, and Illinois. The damage was particularly severe in Kentucky, with buildings destroyed by the force of the tornadoes. Homes were destroyed in the town of Mayfield, as well as Bremen, Bowling Green, and Cambridge Shores. The path of the tornado lasted for over 200 miles. Damage was caused along the path with trees felled. Power shortages were reported as electricity cables were torn down. The storm was the worst to hit Kentucky in 130 years. Authorities are assessing the damage caused, with emergency shelters set up to help those affected. Thank you for watching, with special thanks to my Patreon members. Please comment, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.